Well, now we start working with the last group activity. So you're going to work in groups, in pairs or groups of 3. So you are going to choose here one of these 2 stories. Choose one story. Could be number 1 or the story number 2. What for? So you need to create a conversation, a role play, a 10 lines conversation. So a conversation of 10 lines. Remember, this is in groups, so you can work in pairs or 3. Remember, this is just one story. So the story 1, husband and a wife. ¿Qué van a hacer ellos? Plan and practice the story how a tree fell on your house. Si están trabajando de 3, ahí tienen los participantes, las personas entrevistadas y el reportero. 1, 2, 3. Story number 2, movie star and an emergency worker. Movie star and the emergency worker and the reporter. So you're number 3. 1, 2, 3. Plan and practice the story how a motorcycle accident happened while filming. Entonces, ustedes aquí hayan escogido la 1 o la 2, ustedes van a contar qué les pasó, cómo sucedió. El reportero les va a hacer preguntas. Okay, so create a conversation. If you're working in pairs, si están trabajando solo de 2, escojan. Pueden ser husband o wife. Y aquí sí tienen que ser el movie star. Y su compañero o compañera va a ser el reportero. So create your 10 lines conversation and write this conversation. Aquí van a hacer las preguntas. Bueno, aquí no las van a escribir, las van a crear en el Jamboard. So this is group number 1, number 2, 3, 4. So you create your conversations. For example, you're the group number 4. Click here and you get your text box and you are going to create, for example, reporter. How are you? I'm not okay. I'm not okay. Why? So you create your conversation. Minimum 10 lines, remember. Ahora, hasta ahí ya terminaron su conversación. Si quieren, agregan una imagen. You add a picture. And you can change the font, or you can choose the color. So you create your conversation. Okay? When you finish your conversation, if you want, you add a picture. Agregan una imagen. And then now we continue. Now we continue with part number 4.